Good morning, Professor. I will present to you my main project. It's a web platform for managing medication. It's feature navigation bar with the option form home, login, sign up, and catalog and dashboard. The main message we welcome users to search for and they order medication easily. 2 buttons allow users to create an account or log in. If we don't have account, we click in this button for inscription. From for a medication management platform. It includes files for entering the name, the email, the password, the city, and the role. And here we put our email and the password and the role. Here, because we are the pharmacy, we add new medicines. We put the name and description about these medicines and the price. We return to the PHP MyAdmin, medicines, and yes, we have this. When we want to update these medicines, we click in update and automatically it's changed in the database. And we can also delete these medicines. We click in delete. And we can also create a new pharmacy, for example, like this. And here in the database, we have 2 different pharmacies. Now we create a new account for the client. And this page is about buy any medicines. For example, we put the quantity and we buy. If we return to the database, we found in the patient we have two different clients, for example. And this page is about the historic of the command to the medicines. If we return to the pharmacy account, we see the command of client. This code demonstrates a modular and scalable approach to pharmacy inventory management. It provides essential features like crowd operation, session validation, and responsive UI design. Future enhancement can include search and filter option, image upload. And this code serves as the landing page for a medication management system. It offers a clean, user-friendly interface with the essential feature to guide user toward key action, login, registration, browsing. The design is responsive and can be easily customized to add more feature or section. This PHP script implements a client dashboard for medication management system, allowing client to view available medication with the details like description, price, and the pharmacy name. Place order by specifying the quantity of the selected medication. We have here key functionality, how we start a session, check if the user is logged in and has the client role. We have client class, encapsulate database operations specific to the client role. Retrieve medication from the database, including associated pharmacy name. Place order by entering order details into the command table. Get client name for personalization. This code provides a secure and user-friendly interface for client to browse medication and place order. It combines PHP backend logic with modern CSS styling to deliver responsive and visually applying experience. And about this page is about start a session to track user login, disable browser caching, and we have this. It's about ensure the user is authenticate and has the pharmacy role. Where redirect authenticated user to the login page. And we have database connection, include a configuration file config.php that connects to the database via PDO. We have a medication class. We use a PHP class. Medication is created to handle medication related database operation. We store property like medication details and the database connection, and initialize attribute with provide value or default, and we save methods or add or update and existing medication. If we have $ID is provide us add the new medication to the database. We have as pharmacy dashboard class. It's manage the UA logic and from handling for adding medication from some basic and display medication. And we use the HTML and CSS. It's for display a personalized welcome message for the logged in user. We use key filter of the code to show login system, medication management, like add, update, delete, etc. We have image upload handling. We have responsive UA, dynamic table display, and the next step or improvement, add, edit, and delete button. We implement pagination, improve error handling, and search and filter code. First of all, we include configuration file, assign import the database configuration, enabling connection to the database for user authentication. We have the user class definition, the user class manage authentication and login functionality. We use $con for store the database connection, and for example, dollar email store the sanitized email input, password, and role. And we use the SQL query to fetch user. Uses a prepared statement to securely fetch the user's data based on the email. SQL injection is avoided by a binding parameter. And about logout page, this class provided method to manage PHP session, include starting, clearing, destroying session, and returning users. About key security feature with session validation, ensure sessions are only manipulated if active session clean up, redirection control, static method. This code is for the homepage of the medication management platform, designed with a modern look and functionality for both pharmacies and the patient. The page is visually appealing and user-friendly with a clear navigation and call to action button for sign in up or log in up. In this code, we use the HTML and the CSS code. This PHP script handles the registration process for a user, including both patient and pharmacies, storing their information in a database and providing feedback to the user. We have database connection. This line include a configuration file, while likely contain database connection settings. We have user class, manage user data, and save it into the database for either patient or pharmacies. From display and HTML registration from and adjust dynamically based on the role selected. We have validation. In the end, this code attempts to establish a secure connection to my SQL database using the PDO extension. It uses character encoding to support all possible characters.